The trial between FTC and Microsoft is one of the big things in my gaming bubble these days. I want to take a look at it from a gamer's point of view. But before we start, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It means the world to me and helps support the channel. Let's get started. The Federal Trade Commission, also known as the FTC, is currently in a heated trial against Microsoft. Why? Well, Microsoft wants to acquire the giant gaming company Activision Blizzard. The main task of the FTC is to protect consumers and ensure fair competition. They don't want any company becoming a big monopolist. Their goal? To prevent Microsoft from completing the Activision Blizzard acquisition. Now things are about to get interesting. As I've been following this trial, it seems to me that Sony is pulling some strings in the background. This development is super intriguing and raises some serious questions about the FTC's role in this case. Sony is worried that Microsoft might make Call of Duty exclusive to PC and Xbox, just like Sony has its own exclusive titles. But wait, some countries, including the European Union, have already given green light to this acquisition. Yet the UK has said not so fast. And guess what? Microsoft is appealing that decision. Oh boy, that outcome of this appeal will surely be a nail-biter. Microsoft has been very clear that they won't make Call of Duty exclusive for Xbox or PC. And honestly, that makes sense. Call of Duty is a massive hit on PlayStation, so it wouldn't be wise for Microsoft to upset such a huge gaming community. They know they will make good money with it. So the FTC's major argument seems to have blown away like dust in the wind. But hold on for a sec. During this trial, some fascinating things have come to light. It turns out Sony has been paying developers not to release their games on Xbox. Is that entirely honorable, Sony? I'm not a lawyer, but it feels a bit fishy. You might argue that Microsoft does something similar with their Game Pass. But hey, are these practices illegal or just a disadvantage for us gamers? It's up for debate. And hello FTC, how about you focus on what's best for us gamers/customers rather than what's best for Sony? Let's not forget, Sony is the big dog in this market. And when we throw Nintendo into the mix, Microsoft falls to third place. As a gamer myself, I'm all for having more games available on the Game Pass. I feel the selection of AAA games is a bit limited right now, and that's a bummer. And you know what's also a shame? Xbox Cloud service isn't available on the Nintendo Switch. Imagine being able to play Xbox games on the go. That would be a game changer. Yes, there are other consoles out there like the Logitech G Cloud, which gets some mixed reviews, but if you want to know more, check out the link below. But if you already own a Switch, it would be perfect. Okay, here's what I think. I believe Sony's main motive behind this trial is to hold onto the Activision games, especially the almighty Call of Duty. I get it, Sony. It seems like they're using the FTC to prevent Microsoft from acquiring Activision Blizzard. Don't let us not forget those Bethesda games. Sony already lost this and they will probably do anything to get them back. Bethesda games. They are amazing on consoles. And if you have played it on PC and consoles, you know what I'm talking about. In terms of market impact, I don't think it will be as earth-shattering as Sony and the FTC claim. But hey, I'm not an expert, that's just my impression. What do you think? Share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Alright, but let's talk about us gamers. How will this trial impact us? Hard to say for sure at this point. Game Pass users might benefit from the acquisition. For PC gamers, the changes might be not that mind-blowing. What do you think? Let me know. If you want to dive deeper into some details, check out The Verge for an awesome summary of this trial. I've provided the link in the description below. Special thanks to The Verge for their amazing job. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the first episode of my new project.